Welcome back to iReview. Today, I just got my brand new camera, Sony ZV-1. This is the camera all the big boys use, so I thought I want YouTube to be one of my jobs, besides guitar teaching, so I thought I gotta spend the money, invest in something that will help me prosper on YouTube. So I bought this. Before I took everything out on the side so I can show you that later. But right now, let's take a look at the box. You can see that's what you get. The tripod's faded out because that's not what you get, but that'd be cool on the side one day. You can scan that with your phone or go to their website to get a double your warranty period, which is pretty cool. Tells you everything that the camera has. Look at all this stuff. Amazing what they can put into a little box. You can go ahead and pause the video anytime you want to view any of this and read up on it. I'm definitely going to have to get the microphone, make my audio way better. Yeah, so this comes in 4K, which is amazing. I'll be only running in about 1080, just so that everyone can watch my videos, because I know even my computer has a hard time running 4K. What we got here? Just some little information. Nothing too serious. Accessories. That's what came in the box. Rechargeable battery pack, micro USB cable, and windscreen. That's what you can get. Right, bottom of the box, what we got here? Just some little information. Check your software equipment. Okay, so the box inside, if you ever get this, it will look like this. Camera sits in there, accessories in there. Alright, comes the good stuff. Charging cable / data cable. It's the normal type. Older version, I forget the name of that. Actual camera is wrapped in a cloth bag. So was the battery. The battery came in this, same type of materials, cloth. The windscreen protector came in a paper bag. I put the windscreen protector on right now, so I have the little protective shoe left over. Accessories. Startup manual in a different language. Reference guide. Register your gear. Warnings. I believe so. Yeah, this opens up. It's pretty cool. This is your limited warranty. And the startup guide. You also can get the web version by going to that website or scanning the code, QR code. Okay, now the good part. The part that everyone's been waiting for. So this camera, when it's all said and done on Amazon, I'm not sure if I went with the resale deal on Amazon or I bought it straight. I'm pretty sure I got a resale deal. So this cost me just under $800. So here's my hand compared to the camera. You can see the size of it. Nice buttons. Got your tripod stand, battery, and SD card slot. It's a nice big lens. And this, there is your microphone jack. You got your multi-purpose, which is probably the charging cable and the data cable. We got HDMI cord. You can plug straight into your computer, straight into a TV usually. You can display your videos and whatnot. You got the wind protector up here. Just cancel out any wind that interferes with your audio. Take that off. You just slide it off here. And what I heard about this camera is there's a three-way, like a three-prong, if I believe, microphone. So it's not just one little guy sticking up. You got some high-quality audio in here. Shutter button, zoom. Oh, no, that's the record button. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know in other episodes of this video. Mode, on and off, zoom, shutter. This is for if you want the background to be blurred and just the subject in front of the camera to be crisp. Got a shoe here. You can attach your IR light. I want to test that to see if this camera picks up IR. My other little camcorder I had didn't pick up IR. So I like to test that. You can put your microphone in here. You can put a light in there. So I'll keep this filter off right now. It turns on automatically if you open the screen. As you see, there's no screen right here. Just turn it on. Camera automatically turns on. There we go. I'm very new to this camera, so just bear with me, but you can see you got your audio, what mode you're in, the quality, battery, all sorts of stuff, white balance. So you got some color options, ISO, your white balance, f1.8, which is cool. You got your shutter speed, face detect. It's cool. This camera will automatically, what's it called? Eye track. When you're facing the camera towards you or someone else, it will track your eye. And if it can't track your eye for some reason, it will go right to tracking your face. So you're always in view and always in focus. As we talk this far away, I'm probably about 1.5 feet away. It picks up my audio quite well. No card flashing. I got an SD card I'll put in there. You got whole sorts of options in here. There's just so many. Like image quality, you have 12 pages of this stuff. I don't know what to start. But over time I'll explore. I don't want to do anything weird to the camera. So I'm going to leave to viewing like YouTube tutorials and whatnot, just so I know exactly how to adjust the camera. So obviously this camera is very expensive and I do not want to harm it anyway right now. Flip this around and now you can view yourself doing videos. So there you have it. The very basic review. I'm basically reviewing the camera to myself too because it's still brand new. Later on, I'll be doing some sample footage. Right now, it's getting dark outside, so yeah, good testing the lighting. But tomorrow, I'll give you some samples of the footage. I hope you like this because this is a very good camera. It seems. If you want to buy this, I'll leave a link in the description. What's cool about this camera too, it has Wi-Fi in it, so you can upload videos straight to your mobile device. One of these papers shows that. Let me get this. The starting guide. It's not actually a booklet. It's more of like opening up a map. So yeah, this is good to follow for the time being. Goes straight from preparations, inserting battery and SD card. Oh yeah, the battery was metal. I never had a battery for a camera that was actually metal. So that means it has high quality. That's pretty cool. Basic shooting instructions, viewing instructions, setting up the clock, transferring images to a smartphone, gives you all instructions, editing movies, managing editing images on a computer, notes to use. Then if you live in the US, they got some information there. Some specs, absolutely mind-blowing specs. It's amazing. You can pause the video if you want to read that more. Got some trademark stuff, additional information. Alright, that is pretty cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, short little video here. I'll give you some more detail on this camera later on. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Any suggestions, let me know. Anything at all, comment down below. Share this video to anyone you think would like to know any information about this camera. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.